Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Megi Ahadi Johana from 10 Science 4. Okay, cats are humans' favorite animal after dogs. Cats are the most popular pets in the world. One of the cats that is a favorite of many people is an Persian. This cat has long and smooth fur. What makes the Persian cat so unique is that it has a round face and a short muzzle. The name Persian comes from the old name of the country of Iran, where its cat was first discovered in the 19th century. Persian has two types named back then: slight healthy dark colors. Persian have a shorter body size than other types of cats, but they have big ears and very thick fur, so that makes Persian look bigger because of the dense fur. The Persian nose is very unique and small. This Persian head is quite distinctive. Mammals lack and round, liquid, white, beautiful eyes. This cat is very beautiful.